The Brabazon was finally moved out of its hangar with only inches to spare. It was undeniably a very beautiful craft. And after a year of ground testing, preparations were made for its first flight.
To fly that day. We taxied up and down the runway a couple of times, and then we decided to take it off. And of course it was a terrific advance, because I've said that the aeroplane weighed 300,000 pounds, and the biggest aeroplane prior to that was about a Lincoln bomber, which was about 70,000 pounds, so it was 3 times as heavy as anything that had flown. And of course the big thing, having that it had that enormous wingspan, so it could do the Atlantic non-stop. Because prior to that, only the big flying boats could do it from America to England, and nobody could do it from England to America because of the headwinds.
Despite the apparent success of the first flight, the government decided that the aircraft was outdated. The project was to be cancelled at a cost of over £6.5 million. The plane was broken up for scrap and sold for just £10,000. The Brabazon had been the victim of the committee's inability to assess the future of air travel. It was designed for a bygone age when only a few, a rich few, travelled on the airlines.
I mean, we took it up to Prestwick, didn't we?
Yes, yes, we went to Prestwick. That was a great day when coming into land of Prestwick, we hit a flock of starlings.
That's it, yeah.
And the whole windscreen was covered in dead starlings, which had made it very exciting at about 100 feet. However, it landed.
An awful lot of people have said a lot was learned from the Brabazon that went into Britannia, but do you wholly support this one?
Oh, I think so, yes.
It was largely a different concept, though, wasn't it?
Oh, totally different concept, but a lot of the structure and the technical
point
went into it an awful lot, yes.
The Britannia became the first airliner to fly the Atlantic non-stop both ways. It had a successful career both with the airlines and RAF's Transport Command, and went some way to vindicate the Brabazon.